Hello friends, from today we will start a new subject, that is computer networking. So computer networking is a very useful subject in both CSE and ECE stream, and it is very important in placement interview also. Many of questions will be asked in your placement interview from this subject, computer networking. So first we have to know that what is a computer network. So as basics we know that a set of communication elements connected by communication links is called computer network. So what is a communication elements? So communication elements, we know that each device, any kind of device like mobile, computer, etc., any kind of device that is capable of communicate with another device is called a communication elements. So basically, what are the communication elements? Communication elements means mobile, like computer, router, switch, hub, etc. are basically communication elements. So communication elements are those devices that are capable to communicate with others. So a set of communication elements connected by communication links is called computer network. So what are communication links? So communication links basically are of 3 or 4 types. Like first is optical fiber, second is coaxial cable, third is twisted pair cable, and it can also be wireless. So communication links are basically the medium in which the data is transmitted, like optical fiber, coaxial cable, twisted pair cable. We will know the details of each and every part of this definition later. And it can be also wireless. We know that network can also be wireless network, and data should be transmitted in wirelessly also. Like in case of radio transmission, and in case of FM radio, FM or AM radio, it is wireless network, right? So in case of radio transmission, the data are transferred wirelessly. But in case of wired network, the communication links used basically optical fiber, coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, etc. So what do you mean by this definition? That a set of communication elements like mobile, these are the suppose this is a computer, this is a computer, and this is another computer. A set of communication elements connected by communication links. These are the communication links. It's called a computer network. Suppose these 3 computers are connected using a wireless link. So this is basically a computer network. So next, what is topology? What is topology? So we will know the details of topology later, but as for now, as it is a just introductory class, so we just know the definition of topology. So what is topology? The physical arrangements of elements and links are basically called the topology. Like how the elements, how the communication links and the communication elements are arranged together is called a topology. Like here we saw that here the 3 computers are connected using a structure. This is structure of connection. Here 3 computers are connected using this communication links. So this is a structure. So this structure is called basically topology. The physical arrangements of elements, communication elements, and the communication links are called as topology. So we know there are 5 topology. That is ring topology, star topology, bus topology, tree topology, and mesh topology. We will know each and every topology details later in upcoming videos. So ring topology means here communication elements are connected in form of a ring. Like here communication elements are connected in form of a ring. That is called a ring topology. In star topology, there is a central device, and all the computers are connected using this central device. This is called basically star topology. And bus topology, in bus topology, there are a device and cable is there, and all the computers are connected through this cable. This is basically bus topology. Here a computer is connected, all the devices of the computer are connected using this link, using this cable. So you know the details of ring, star, bus, tree and mesh topology. In mesh topology, each and every computers are connected with each other. Like in mesh topology, these computers connected with this, with this, with this, with this using the point-to-point link. We will know what is point-to-point link later. So just for now, point-to-point link is the link that connects two computers. Right. Point-to-point link is basically the link, is basically the communication links that connects two communication elements. These are the point-to-point links. So in mesh topology, all devices connected with each other. So now these are the definition of computer network and topology. So to write the definition, the actual definition of computer network. So a computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information. So a computer network is a system. Suppose this is a computer, this is a computer, this is a computer, and this is a computer. These all computers are connected through a suppose Wi-Fi network. This is a network. Suppose this is a Wi-Fi. All the computers are connected using the same Wi-Fi network. So this is basically a computer network system. So what is computer network? Computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share the informations. Suppose this computer is connected to this Wi-Fi network, this computer is also connected to this Wi-Fi network, and by connecting all the computers to this same Wi-Fi network, each and every computer can able to share the informations to another computer. Like this computer can share the information to this computer by using this network. This computer can share the information to this network by using this network. So this is basically the computer network system. So we see the communication link, the definition of communication link. So what is a communication link? So communication link is the channel between the two communication devices. The link may be a physical link or a logical link, that is the combination of one or more physical link. So as I said earlier, that the communication link is a channel between the two communication devices. And the link may be a physical link, it can be a physical link, or it can be a logical link, or it can be a wireless link. The logical link is basically the wireless link, the logical link is basically the combination of one or more physical link. These are the basically the communication link, that is the link may be a physical link or it can be a logical link. So the physical link can be coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, optical cable. The physical link means by using the optical fiber or the twisted pair cable or the coaxial cable, the information is getting transferred. The information is transmitted from one communication device to another communication device by using the physical devices, physical link like coaxial cable, optical cable, and twisted pair cable. But it can be a wireless communication also, because in today's world, it is a world of wireless communication. So it can be wireless link also. So in case of video communication or the microwave communication, the link are the wireless link. Wireless link means the information are transferred using the from one device to another device wirelessly. So we know that this is a computer, this is a computer, and this is a computer, and all the computers are connected using a like server. This is a server and this is a server. All the computers are connected to each other. These all of the basically communication elements, like 3 computers are there and 2 servers is there, and all are sharing a single network. So this is basically a communication links. These are basically communication links. So there are 2 more points that we need to learn. That is, what is point-to-point link and what is multi-point link. We already know what is point-to-point link and what is multi-point link. The definition of point-to-point link is when there is a single dedicated link between the two devices. It is called a point-to-point link. and it is said to be point-to-point connections. So like this, in this case, when there is a single dedicated link, like suppose this is a device and this is a device, this is a computer and this is a computer. When two computers or two devices are connected using a single point-to-point dedicated link, these are single link, this is called a point-to-point link. Suppose two computers, two devices or two mobiles are connected using a single link. This computer can transmit information to this computer by using a link, and this computer can able to transmit information to this computer by using this same link. This is called a point-to-point link, or the connection is called the point-to-point connection. And next is multi-point link. If a single link is shared by more than two devices, then it is multi-point connection, or the link is called the multi-point link. Suppose a device is there and this is a single link, and all the devices are connected to this link. In case of, like, what is this topology? This topology is a bus topology. Suppose a single link is there and it is shared to all the devices who uses this link. This is called the multi-point link, or the connection is called the multi-point connection. Suppose a computer wants to share some information to this computer, then it has to share the information to this link, and this information is shared to all other computers. But there is a host ID and send ID and the receiver ID, unique ID. Only the intended device will receive the information, but the information is shared to all the computers, to all the devices. First, it has to send the information to this link. The information shared to all the devices, to all the devices in this single link, but the intended device only will receive the information. This is basically the multi-point connection and the multi-point link. But in case of point-to-point connection, only this information is shared to this computer, by using this point-to-point link. These are the basic difference between a point-to-point link and a multi-point link. This is basically the introductory class of computer networking. Next day we will discuss each and every topic in details. We will discuss the application of computer networking, and we will discuss the detail about the topologies, bus topology, topology, base topology, tree topology, and so on. Thank you for watching.